So here is the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Weird, right? This is the most expensive phone in the Google Pixel 9 lineup. This phone has one of the largest display of 8 inches in a foldable device category. This also has a rare triple camera setup powered by Tensor G4 and on-device AI processing like Gemini Nano. So I think you understood what will coming in this video. So stay tuned and don't forget to like the video and consider subscribing to the channel. This phone has not only the largest display, but this is also the thinnest foldable phone ever made by the Google. This was 0.2 inch thin, which is similar to the iPad Pro M4. This time they tweaked the design with thinner bezels compared to the previous Pixel Fold, and they optimized UI for the folds, and they are also optimized some Google apps and the third-party apps to the screen ratio. This has 6.3 60 to 120Hz LTPO OLED external display and 8-inch 1 to 120Hz LTPO OLED internal display. Being a foldable phone, there is a lot of practicality in its design. For example, if you fold the phone at 90 degrees and started watching YouTube videos, half of the screen is dedicated to video streaming and other half is dedicated to comments and other stuff. This type of features is not new to the foldable phones, but they optimized this feature for this foldable phone is very awesome. Pixel 9 Pro Fold is also facing the same issue regarding the app optimization to the screen to body ratio. For example, if you open an app on the front display and after entered into the tablet mode, it is still in the mobile view mode, which is still need to be rectified. Gaming in Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold also supports foldable mode. For example, games like Asphalt 9 Legend supports foldable mode. Half display is for gaming view and other half is for mini-map and game controls. This feature in the camera app of Pixel 9 Pro Fold is interesting. We can use front display to display some cartoon-like emojis to grab the attention of the kids while we're taking their pictures. That makes somewhat easier to grab the kids' attention while we took their photos. The multitasking feature like split screens was working good, and the snapping animations is also smooth. As we all know, Pixels are known for their cameras with the contrasty look and natural-looking color signs. Fortunately, this phone is also falls under the best foldable camera phone. Pixel 9 Pro Fold drops with on-device AI process with the help of Gemini Nano, and also have all AI features which will contain in the previous versions of Pixels like magic editor tools, AI wallpaper generating, and many more. This runs on stock Android based on Android 14, which is my only favorite operating system because of the way they design the UI, implement the animations. I'm currently using Pixel 6a and my overall OS experience in that phone is freaking good. These are some things about Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Hope you watched the video till now. If so, please do like the video and consider subscribing to the channel.